Okay. So let's begin again. That's that beginning sun salutation. Let's just go through the process. So we're gonna go into we're gonna put our hands to the hips first. So first of all, get your two big toes together, separate your heels, and then tuck your hips and slightly bend your knees. When I say slightly bend your knees, I want you to be able to look down and see your toes. You don't want your knees to bend past your toes, right? So you want to tuck and bend, arms relaxed. Okay? Now breathe in. As you exhale, bring your index fingers together. As you inhale, bring your arms up, bend your arms at the elbows. As you exhale, relax your shoulders and let your weight sink into the bottom of your feet. Now, as you are breathing in, reach up. Extend your arms, reach out as high as you can. Now you're going to hold your breath, keep your lungs full, arch your spine, let your head go back. Put your thumb and forefingers together. Now exhale, open up your arms and your chest. Now breathe in and come up. Now exhale, lower your palms in front of your chest. Now, as you breathe in, straighten your legs. Extend your arms, reach out. Shift your hips back like you're diving into the ocean. Your fingertips touch the floor like you're cutting into the water. Now breathe in and separate your arms, shoulders width apart. As you exhale, put your knuckles to the floor. Bring your chin down towards your chest. Exhale and lifting your spine. Release from your lower back. Disengage your arms from the shoulders. Now breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now straighten your legs. Put your hands together. Keep your head in between your arms. Rise up from your waist as you're breathing in. Come all the way up. And then slowly exhale. Release your weight into the bottom of your feet. Now breathe in. Reach. Hold your breath as you arch. Bring thumbs and forefingers together. Now exhale. Open up the chest. Release your neck. Eyes open. Now breathe in and rise. Exhale. Palms in front of the chest. Now breathe in. Slowly. Exhale. Hands down in front of your thighs. And then separating to the side. Breathe in. Slowly breathe out. Let your weight sink to the bottom of your feet. Empty your shoulders. Okay, so that is the beginning of sun salutation.